Doug Perry headquarters.
Yeah. Hey, do you care if I rip your truck around the block?
I don't care. Do whatever you want.
Okay. All right. Well, I wanted to ask. You know, it's not mine. Super impressive. Hey guys, Jeff with Westcott Designs. So we just finished up this Raptor R. Like, this thing's brand new, was brought to us. We did a set of the Baja Designs S2s in the front with their mount kit for it. We did Camberg's preload collar that works on the factory suspension on this. A CB mount that actually goes into the factory overhead console on this. To tell you the truth, that's just some of the little stuff. That is stuff that is like little detail things. But what was really impressive is we did a Whipple on this thing with the Whipple throttle body and the Whipple Supercharger. And we just got back, and I'll tell you this thing rips. We're gonna do 1 and 2-wheel drive, which I know by just driving this thing, it's probably gonna spin the tires because of the power it's making. And then we're gonna do 1 and 4-wheel drive high and just see how well it hooks up and see how it does. I'm pretty sure it'll hook really well in 4-wheel drive, but all right, ready? That didn't work out so well. Just spins the tires. Let's try that in 4-wheel drive. All right, we're in 4-wheel drive. All right. It's super impressive. I mean, it is a tire roasting bandit. And when I say that, it's probably scary to leave it in 2-wheel drive when you're gonna go from a dead stop or a light roll, because all it wants to do is blow the tires off it. We put it in 4-wheel high, and you go from a dead stop, and when you get on it and it goes from first to second, it actually chirps all 4 tires. And I'm telling you, it feels like it's standing on the rear bumper and when it's in 4 high, because it hooks up so well and transfers weight so well. I've always been into fast cars. I love fast cars, like super fast cars. So to get in a truck like this that weighs what it weighs, and to have the performance that this thing has, I will tell you this, if I own one of these things, it 100% would have the Whipple Supercharger on it. There'd be no questions asked, because I drove this truck without it, and I wanted to see a comparison before and after. It is unbelievable on how fast this thing is. I would not want to pull up to the traffic light and race somebody in this thing, and obviously you're really not supposed to be racing on open roads or on city streets or anything like that, so take it to a closed course. But anyways, besides that, this thing was so impressive. It's got 37s on it, and when you look at it, it looks stock. I mean, it is a Raptor R, which knowing out of the box are supposed to be super quick, but this one is just at a whole nother level. I'm gonna pop the hood. I just want you guys to see how clean the installation is on this. It came out really nice. There we go. So when you look at this thing underneath the hood, it's super clean. It looks OEM, and that's part of the part that I really like, is that it does look OEM. All the fittings, the hoses, the shrink wrap over the top of this, the hoses. I mean, obviously our guys did a good job installing this and making it look clean, but it does. It looks like it came like this from the factory. So if I pop the hood, you'd almost not even know that this wasn't factory, other than this thing had a silver supercharger on originally, or blower, and now it's got a black Big Bandit Whipple on it with the big billet throttle body here in the front. But I'm just blown away on how good this thing runs, and it's at a whole nother level. I mean, I'm giddy. I would probably get myself in trouble or have this thing wrapped around a telephone pole if, to be honest, in no time. So anyways, want to share that with you guys. We do a lot of these at the shop. I think this is probably our 5th or 6th one we've done at the shop. I haven't really got to go out and actually drive one. This one actually belongs to a friend of mine, and I know he would rather me get out and drive the truck to make sure that there was no corks, no kinks, and really kind of give him my input on what I thought of the truck. He's really into vehicles or cars and trucks, as I am, and so I know we both have a lot of the same tastes and what we are looking for and gains and stuff like that. So I can tell you this, when he gets this truck back, he's gonna be super impressed. And I don't know, I'd probably tell you, he'll probably say, hey, this is probably one of my favorite vehicles to drive out of all the cars that I've had, and he's had a lot of them. So it'll be cool to kind of get his feedback and see what he thinks about this thing on performance-wise. In here, the light bar that was put in back here, the Baja Designs light bar set up right there. Super clean, kind of hidden, kind of subtle, but it's in there and it serves its purpose. So again, guys, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I know it's not our typical Toyota content. We're getting into some other stuff because some other people have come to us and said, hey, we really want you guys to do more of this, and we'd love for you to get more of this content out there for us. And so we want to share that with you guys. And please comment below. We'd love to hear from you. And if you're not subscribed to our channel, please get subscribed. We'd love to share some of these things, up and coming projects with you. So again, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.